Alright guys, what's up? It's been a minute, since you guys seen me. I don't know, like 2 years. But I decided to do something totally different with this channel. Let me turn off Big Uzi Vert. But I decided to do something totally different with this channel. I have everything that I need to make good quality content. I just need to practice my editing. But that's a different story. Anyways, so I have my GTI. I'm a car guy, so I have a GTI. I tuned it with 5150 and I have an access port. So here's the access port right here. I don't run it in the car because I don't want to see anything on my dash or like in my visual area. So I just decided to post it on Facebook Marketplace, and maybe it's been like 30 minutes and someone hit me up and we're like, yo, I'll buy your access port off you. So I'm gonna sell my access port, detune the car, and I'm gonna go a different alternative with tuning. Most people with GTIs or Audis, they go APR, and APR is cool, but I want something a little more tailored to my car because I drive long distances and whatever else. I'd rather just have my car really dialed than just like a generic map that everyone else gets. So with that being said, I sold my access port and I'm leaving my house now, getting rid of this bad boy. There's literally nothing wrong with it. Let's see, I messaged the guy. There's a message. Let's wait for it to fill. I'll be stock for a little while, but you guys don't know what's done to this car, so there'll be a review soon. But yeah, I mean, bro, look at the miles on this car, bro. It's crazy. But yeah, with that being said, guys, we're gonna start a new journey with this channel, and hopefully it works. All right, guys, so this is the last time driving the car tuned. Kind of happy for new beginnings. I don't know, man. I don't know how to feel. I'm really happy, but I'm sad because I've been wanting this car tuned for so long, and then only to tune it for like 20,000 miles to remove the tune. I don't know, man. We'll see what the future holds. I still got an intercooler at the house to install too, so I don't know. I might get a flash and then hold off on the dyno session until I install the intercooler. But we'll see how that goes. We'll see whatever they can do fast. Yeah, whatever. All right, guys. Sad day for Nibbas. We have been defeated. I am no longer tuned. I no longer have the access port.
Got little popples there.
That's because of the downpipe.
Yeah, I know.
You can't see me. Hold on. That doesn't do anything. Anyways, no longer tuned. I have Alex driving. You can barely see him. I don't like it. That's why I'm not driving the car. I don't want to feel it. I'm very depressed, even though I literally sold the access port less than 5 minutes ago. I'm in critical depression, and I need to seek mental health helpers, asylum, whatever the fuck that shit's called. I don't know, bro. Bro, hit that shit. Yes, sir. Ew.
It doesn't pull as hard.
Ew, it doesn't pull hard anymore. Oh, I'm so sad, bro. I'm back to stock. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Alright, guys. The car is now stock. Well, ECU wise.
Now you're gonna try to race you.
So the GTI is now stock ECU. Everything else is fucking touched up, whatever. I'm gonna go to the place tomorrow and see what they say. See if they can at least flash me so I can at least, like, get some power out of it or something. But how was the drive, Alex?
I mean, it reminds me just of a little peppier stock GTI. That's all. It's not as fast as it was before. It's faster than my car. I don't know that. So. Well,
cheers to good gas mileage. All right, guys. So it's the next morning, and I drove the car home, and I'm gonna be honest. I don't like it. It's weird. I'm very depressed now, even more. I'm gonna stop by the tuning shop that I want to tune my car at now, Well, actually in a little while because I gotta go to the dentist. But I don't know, man, like it's like having your child stripped away from you. So we'll see. It's very slow. Like with the tune, boost came in around like 2,500 RPM, so it just chirped the tires all the way through. It's like third. Now it's just like I don't chirp, and it builds boost around like 3,000, and it's just like a very slow, steady boost. Like with the tune, it just used to go under 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 25. See you later. Now it's just like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. All right, now we're going, and then it just dies off. So don't like it. We'll see what happens today. I hope at least they can just flash my car. They don't have to put it on the dyno or anything today because I still have to install my intercooler, like I said earlier. But we'll see, guys. I'll keep you updated. So it's been like a whole day since you last seen that clip. I ended up dropping the car to Hydra. They tuned it. It took a while, but I had to go to the dentist twice. So I did that. The car still wasn't ready, so I chilled with Patrick. And we took some pictures. Roamed around a little bit. Went to his house. Chilled. Then I was there for about an hour, and then they called. So I went to pick up the car. I had Patrick drive it first. And when I was tuned on 5150, I was making 28 pounds of boost, which apparently is bad because they're not supposed to be running at that. So they tuned it to 24 pounds. So the car is like, it's slower than what I'm used to. But the guy said, if I get R7 spark plugs and I can put on my intercooler, and I have a diverter valve that I need to put on the car as well. They said if I do that, bring it back, they'll put it on the dyno, they'll really dial it in because all they did was a street tune. So I don't know, we'll see. He says if they can get it back up to 28 pounds safely, they'll do it, but if not, whatever. But they said just how the car is now, they can squeeze out a little more. But if I had those added modifications, then I can do it. But yeah, I don't know, I gotta get a car mount and drive around with you guys and explain my car. I gotta do a video on that. I still have to do an update channel video, video for this channel. That'll come soon. But 2020, we're out here making content, guys. So be ready.